Okay, pack opening 155. My new book, The Hot Gods Are Real, comes out in 2 weeks. But right now, we're just looking to pull a Macklin Celebrini from 2024-25 Hockey Series 2. So let's rip. Kyle Connor O-Pee-Chee. Here's a cool insert on tour. Not the Young Guns I was looking for, but I'm always grateful for a Young Guns pull. Very nice. I've already pulled one Macklin Celebrini, so I don't want to get greedy. But he is my favorite player in the league right now. I love the way he skates. I love the way he passes. I love his hand work. He's just so good. Cool Dazzlers. It's always a win. Jake Eichel O-Pee-Chee. I grew up an Islanders fan. I feature them in the book Hockey Gods Are Real. This is a cool Electricity insert. Yeah, nothing too crazy, but four really nice pulls. Sorry about that crappy camera work. Thanks for watching. God bless.